So my daughter's gone through a few cleaning play sets. She's like not destroyed them over the years, but like she really likes playing with them. And I'm telling you, like, you might be thinking like, why would I get my kid a play, cleaning set? But it's super interactive. They see us do it every day. They want to do it. They want to pretend. There's zip ties here, so I'm just cutting that open. And it's a cute way to teach them responsibility and pretend like cleaning up and so forth. Oh, how many zip ties do you need on this? Like, come on now, what are you? There we go. One more? Oh, jeez, Louise. And I love the fact that it comes with a little cleaning caddy. Ah, get out of here. There we go. Get out of here. How cute! So it comes with a little pretend squeegee. You have your soap. And it actually has a hole in the top, so I guess if you want to play with water, you can. Little shovel. Is this functioning? I don't know if it actually works with water or not, but I'm pretty sure. Let me see if there's like an actual thing for it. Oh, there is. Okay, so it's fully functional. You can put some water. They can play around with it. A little cleaning cloth. I think this is just supposed to be like a card in it. You don't need that. Little cleaning sponge. And this one is not functional. This is just like pretend. But look how cute. They could carry this around, put their stuff in it, pretend to clean and play. It's super interactive. It's fun. It'll keep them entertained. Give them a little bucket of water to play around with it. And it's really cute. My daughter loved these, especially about like 2 years old, where she could pretend to mop the floors, clean the floors, pretend with mommy, clean with mommy. She was all about like pretend play and like play vacuums and stuff like that. So this is really cute. I like this a lot.